Teaching writing to struggling students doesn't mean lowering expectations, but it does mean changing how we teach. Struggling writers don't need simpler work. They need clear instruction. They need to hear how sentences are built, how ideas are expanded, and how writers revise in real time. One of the biggest mistakes we make, especially with older students, is removing modeling because we're worried it sounds too young. But when we remove modeling, struggling writers lose the thinking they actually need. In the writing staircase intervention, I keep the modeling explicit. The adjustment isn't what we teach. It's how much thinking we say out loud based on student need. If a student writes, "went to the store," I might say, "I see an action, but I don't see who did it." That tells me the sentence is incomplete. And for students who are ready, I'll shorten that to, "This sentence is missing a subject." This is also where my AI writing coach can be powerful, creating lesson plans where students are on the writing staircase. Once the AI writing coach understands what level students are stuck on, phrases, sentences, paragraphs, or essays, it gives a complete diagnosis as your starting point. This approach works for upper elementary and middle school students because it respects their age and rebuilds missing skills one step at a time. If you support struggling writers in grades 3 through 8 and want a structured writing intervention that works with AI tools, the writing staircase is built for you. You can find more details in the description below.